Now in this video I will solve a very special diagram of price effect, which is split into two parts: substitution effect and income effect. So this one is a very interesting diagram. Most of you don't get it properly, so I will try to do my level best to make it as easy as possible. Okay, so this is the pattern over here. So there are two axes. This is good x and this is good y. Okay, now this is our first line. Okay, so as a compensating variation, this is the second one, and a parallel movement like this. So let's mark it A, B, P, and Q, and this may be Q1, 0. Now with respect to this, first this is indifference curve IC2. Now this intersection point is nothing but going by this, which is the PCC, and now here is another curve which is ICC, or income consumption curve, and this is a price consumption curve. And remember that this is cutting it below this point. So from this point you get 1, and from this you get the second, and from the main intersection you get the third. So if I mark it as M, A and N and K1, or maybe just K, so Mn is your substitution effect and Kn is your income effect. That's it. So in that way you can split the income and substitution effects.